Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to log in Instagram account in mobile browser. To log in to your Instagram account in your mobile browser, first open any browser of your choice in your mobile phone. I'll be using Chrome. Then, in the search bar, type in instagram.com. Search it up. Here, you can see the option to open the Instagram. You will also see login or sign up option. Tap on login to log into your Instagram account. Remember, you have to have an Instagram account before you log in. If you do not have Instagram account, you can tap on sign up option and then create your account first. Once you have your account, you can log in using your Facebook account as well. Here, I'll be showing you by entering my full details. First, you have to enter your phone number, username or email address. I'll be entering my email address that is linked with my Instagram account. Once you do this, you have to enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, tap on forgotten your password and then retrieve your password first. Once you have make sure that you have entered your valid credentials, tap on login. With this, you have successfully logged into your Instagram account. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.